Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Nintendo Switch Online app and signing into the same Nintendo account used on your console. Tap the game's voice chat icon or accept a friend's invite to join a party. Once done, grant microphone permission when the phone prompts you and confirm audio output to your headset. This immediate pairing is necessary because the app routes in-game voice through your phone, so start here to ensure the console and mobile link correctly. Now control who hears you and how loudly. In the app, choose your microphone and speaker devices, then set comfortable input and output levels. Make small adjustments while someone speaks to avoid clipping. Make sure mute and push-to-talk are set the way you prefer, and set party privacy so only invited friends can join. These middle steps prevent feedback and accidental eavesdropping, and they ensure stable audio routing during gameplay and minimize latency. To finish, verify your game shows an active voice chat connection and that teammates can hear you. If audio fails, disconnect and reconnect the headset, force close and reopen the app or toggle microphone permission. These quick steps refresh the audio pipeline. Also, make sure your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, since poor network causing dropouts. If problems persist, restart both Switch and phone. This clears many
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.